Show all components for setup. The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screws on the instrument. Install the bracket plate. Install the filter. Each connection pin has sealing rubber rings. Replace any damaged ones with spares. Remove the filter cap, check the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck, and replace them with spares if necessary. Install the hydro handle. 1. Connect the blue tube to the recycle port and insert it tightly. 2. Connect the white tube to the solution port on the left side of the peristaltic pump. There is a downward arrow here, indicating that the solution flows into the handle through this tube. 3. Fill bottle A with AS1 solution, bottle B with SA2 solution, and bottle C with AO3 solution. 4. Reinstall bottles A, B, and C back onto the main unit. The handle of hydro has a white rubber ring. If the white rubber ring is damaged, a spare one can be used as a replacement. There are 8 hydro hard tips, 6 silicone tips, 2 frosted tips, and 1 sealing tip. Select the appropriate tip and install it. Note: when using the sealing head, a white rubber ring needs to be installed on the handle. When using the white silicone tip on the small bubble handle, you need to remove the rubber ring on the handle so that the silicone tip can be locked in place. If the transparent tubing on the peristaltic pump is damaged, replace it according to the following steps. 1. Disconnect the tubing connection. 2. Press the left and right latches on the peristaltic pump to detach the pump body from the main unit. 3. Press the top and bottom latches on the pump body to open the pump housing. 4. Remove the old transparent tubing. 5. Insert the new transparent tubing into the pump body's locking slot. 6. Close the pump housing, ensuring the latches are secure. 7. Insert the assembled pump body back into the main unit, ensuring a firm connection. Install the spray gun connection cable. 1. Connect the spray gun and bottle to the spray gun. 2. Remove the bottle and mix the saline solution and essence in a 10:1 ratio, then fill the bottle with the mixture. 3. Reattach the bottle to the spray gun. 4. Connect one end of the braided tubing to the spray gun. 5. Connect the other end of the braided tubing to the main unit. Install the suction cup connection cable. 1. After unscrewing the suction port counterclockwise, you will see a filter cotton inside the instrument. Replace this filter cotton once a week. 2. Connect one end of the straight tube to the main unit. 3. Connect the other end to the cup. Install the import hub handle. Install the wastewater bottle. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Choose Hydro. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Power, 3. Water flow, on. Bottle selection, choose bottle A/B/C according to your skin type. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. When using the Hydro function for the first time, install the sealing head onto the Hydro handle. Wait about 40 seconds after starting the device. Once water flows through the transparent tube, the unit is ready for use. When the wastewater bottle is full, it must be emptied for the Hydro to function properly. Choose spray gun. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. You need to pull the lever to spray water. If the lever cannot be pulled, please rotate the tail of the spray gun 2 to 3 times to solve this problem. Choose section. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose Import Hub. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3, EMS/EP energy level, 3, mode, EMS. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.